In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe tax with the pay-as-you-go option on Circle. So, this is a straightforward process that ensures you can effectively manage tax calculations for your transactions. So, without further ado, let's get started and dive into the steps. First, you'll need to log into your Circle. So, admin account. Once you're logged in, this will allow you access to all the administrative functionalities you need for this setup. Now navigate to the settings menu and from there, go to payments. Here you'll find the option to connect with Stripe. Click on that and this will initiate the process of linking your Circle. So account with Stripe, which is essential for managing your payments and taxes effectively. Next, you will see the Connect Stripe button. Click on this and you'll be directed to the Stripe login page. Enter your credentials to access your Stripe account. Once logged in, authorize the connection by following the prompts. This secure link between Circle.so and Stripe ensures that your transactions are synchronized and that tax calculations are accurate. After your Stripe account is connected, head back to the settings in Circle. And once again to payments, but this time go to tax settings. This is where you will configure how taxes are handled for your transactions. Make sure to toggle the option to enable Stripe tax. You'll be given the option to select pay as you go. This method is especially useful if you expect varying transaction volumes as it allows flexibility in how taxes are applied and managed. Now it's time to enter your business details. This includes your business name, address, and any necessary tax IDs. It's crucial that this information is accurate to ensure compliance with tax regulations and to facilitate smooth transactions. If you need to configure specific tax rates, perhaps because your business operates in multiple regions with different tax rules, you have that option as well. While this step is optional, adding precise tax rates ensures that all applicable taxes are correctly calculated and applied in each sale. For this, click on Add Tax Rate. Fill in the details like the name and percentage of the tax, and specify which items or services it applies to. Don't forget to save these settings after you're done. Finally, click Save Changes to activate your Stripe tax in pay-as-you-go mode. You'll want to make sure everything is working perfectly, so it's highly recommended to test the payment. This will confirm that taxes are automatically calculated and applied to your transactions, ensuring everything functions as intended. And there you have it. You're now set up to handle taxes smoothly on Circle, so with Stripe's pay-as-you-go functionality. This process not only makes tax management simpler, but also more adaptable to your business needs. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions,